Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mint CFD. We'll start by defining contracts for difference, or CFD, and explore why they are a popular trading instrument. Then, I'll guide you through the simple process of setting up and funding your Mint CFD account. Finally, we'll take a quick tour of the platform's user-friendly interface, highlighting essential tools and features to get you started confidently. Setting up your Mint CFD account is straightforward. First, you'll complete a quick registration form with your basic personal information. Next, you'll need to verify your identity, which typically involves uploading a photo ID and proof of address, ensuring compliance and security. Finally, you can fund your account using options like bank transfers or credit cards, often with a minimum deposit of $500 to begin trading. Once your account is funded, you're ready to trade. To place your first trade, select an asset like a stock or commodity, decide on your position size, and choose to buy or sell. Always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure gains. Mint CFD offers a wide range of instruments, allowing you to diversify your trading strategies effectively. Effective risk management is crucial for successful CFD trading. Always trade with capital you can afford to lose and never over-leverage your positions. Stay informed by regularly monitoring market trends and economic news, as these factors significantly impact asset prices. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.